Hello, this is Decimal, and today I want to talk about these unreleased prototypes that are pocket operator themed by Teenage Engineering. So let's get into it. First, I want to start off with the light synthesizer, the PO-48. So what it seems to be is a spinning LED light that can attach to or connect to pocket operators, and it will be able to be a display of some sort. When we look at the actual device close up, we can see we have a step button, pattern button, a function button, size and variation knob, BPM button, pair button, color button, shape, and play. So yeah, we don't have a lot of information on what this device actually was supposed to be, but it seems to be a display visualizer of some sort. The next thing I want to talk about is the pocket drum. So this is an early prototype of what the pocket drum would have looked like, and it seems to be a pad of some sort that would trigger something. Again, we don't have a lot of information on what this could be. And it seems to be maybe you hit the pad with a drumstick, which will trigger a pocket operator or something of that nature. Again, we just don't have a lot of information on this device. The next thing I want to talk about is the PO-33KO alternative. It is a lighter version or a different skin on what the KO-33 would have. And lastly, I want to talk about the PO-30 screen. So this is a graphic for PO-30 that never made the cut. What is the PO-30? On T site underneath the winners for the DIY pocket operator project, I'll just briefly mention the winners of the pocket operator project while I'm at it. In first place, we have these air drum clips. So they're tiny force sensors inside. So when you shake the pocket operator in a certain direction, it triggers the sound with the clip on. Second place, which in my opinion is the best thing I have seen. This is amazing. This is a deconstructed piano keys to turn the pocket operator into a playable piano, like physically. In third place, we have a bunch of mentions here. There's the fossil case, the typewriter. We have the pocket operator, synth guitar. We have the cookie cutter. We have the cookie cutter and this MIDI line, which is like a light strip for the pocket operators. What do you guys think about all this pocket operator stuff? Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.